You're on video. So what are you doing now?
Cleaning my pool.
Cleaning the pool. You're getting ready for tonight?
What's happening tonight?
We're like gonna stay in the pool all night.
I guess so.
We're staying in the pool all night.
Okay.
Hello, people. The alligators are right over there. Right over there, the alligators. Alligators. There are alligators. They're not in the pool. They're outside of your yard. I know where the alligators are.
How do you know where they are? So
Okay. What video game are you playing? Which one are you playing? Listen to those notes. And that's not a synthesizer. She does not. You don't know real music. That's Rochelle Farrell. You only wish you could do that.